Hello, this is a demonstration for Graphical Application Development, Homework 1 for Dr. Fernandez. My name is Fatrad. I would like to show you my project here. This is the main feature for this project is the day and night cycle. So as the program run in the background here, you will see it changing from black to white, and the icon here, the sun representing the daytime and the moon representing the night. So at nighttime the icon becomes this star without any interaction, and in the daytime it becomes a cloud. So a click of the mouse button will create that ding sound, and also it will change from day to night. And you can do this with the keyboard press, day for daytime and night being nighttime. And as you can see here, the icon changed from a star to the cloud. And the next part of this is the key presses. The keyboard presses. The R create rectangles, where the S create the solid square, the C creates this dots here, and again this the square, and any other key would create the ellipses. So the idea here is that every key would do something. So the E key would create the ellipse, the I and the O, and as you can see here, as we were demonstrating this, the screen is now black meaning midnight. So, and the 0 key for no shape at all, so it will go back to the cursor here for the stars. And the number keys will actually create more objects. So this is 1 star, so a 2 key will create 2 stars and 4 stars, and of course 5 star and 6 star, and now it's a cloud, 6 cloud. So let's say it's a dot here, a bunch of dots here by the C key. The plus or minus key would make it bigger and smaller, and of course we can create more of them, and it would be randomly displayed with random color and random sizes. And here we can create 9 of them in different configuration, so you can play around with that. And also, if you press the 1 key, you go back to 1, and here if you press the F key, you get a little frog and that croaking sound. And that's randomly displayed everywhere. And of course you can have 3 frogs, or 6 frogs, or 9 frogs, or 2 frogs, or how many ever frogs you want. Let's go back to 1 again and have this little monkey. The M creates this monkey, and the capital F creates this fish. And you can have 9 fish, a big school of fish, and you can resize them, make them smaller. And the mouse movement will also move the figures, which are randomly placed. And of course, pressing any other button would create the different shapes. The R would still create the square. And then the next part of this is of course the other interaction here is that we can make the object. So you can have a little monkey or a frog here. Let's try with the frog here. And the frog can jump by pressing the J key. He can jump up and down. And the frog can you can have 4 frogs jumping up and down, and 2 frogs, and anything can actually jump up and down. So the little dot can jump up and down. The K key stops the jumping up and down. And then you can also change the background here. If you don't want this fading day and night cycle, you want a nice picture of a rainbow, and pressing the slash key would do that, and the next slash key would cycle through a bunch of pictures here. So you can have a little fish, a little frog here on the sun, and then or on the moon, and he can be jumping up and down on the moon. And to go back to the day-night cycle, we just put the question mark key, and of course the time is still ticking. You see here that it's just the sun, and it's still the sun here. And now it's the moon. So when the moon, we expect a 0 key to become a star, which it does. And you can have 9 stars by pressing the number key and cycling through this thing. And so you can have a bunch of swimming fish. So the idea here is that the child can learn. So let's press the key K again, about the different day and night cycle, how it works. If he's, the moon would be associated with stars. A bunch of stars comes out when the moon comes out, and a bunch of clouds come out with the sun. And you can have 1 cloud, or you can have 1 monkey, or 1 frog, or 3. And that's about it. That's the major part. So a kid can really have fun creating numbers and creating little objects, little circles, making them bigger and smaller with the plus and the minus key. And of course, last but not least, the P key turns it all to hot pink. So thank you for watching. Thank you.